Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to parse JSON lines in make.com and extract useful data. So let's get started. First, log in to make.com and go to the Scenarios section. Click Create a new scenario, then click the plus button and search for JSON. Select the parse JSON module. In the JSON string field, input or map the JSON lines data that you want to process. If the data comes from an API, form submission, or webhook, select it as the input. Next, define the structure of the JSON. If you already have a sample, click Generate Structure to automatically detect fields. Otherwise, manually enter key value pairs. After that, add a filter or iterator module to process multiple JSON objects line by line. This helps when working with JSON arrays or nested data. Once everything is set, click Run Once to test the setup. If the extracted data looks correct, you can use it in other modules like Google Sheets, emails, or databases. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.